Welcome to the Diabetic Diary. I'm Ollie, thanks for visiting. Today I'm just doing a quick video on carbohydrates, what they are and why we as diabetics should be aware of them. So we have three main food groups, okay? We've got our proteins, our fats and our carbohydrates. And the carbohydrates are what the body breaks down and converts into glucose, which the body then converts into energy. So what happens is we eat a carbohydrate, it's converted into glucose, enters our bloodstream. Our pancreas then produces insulin, which carries the glucose in our bloodstream to our body's cells, which then convert the glucose to energy. And in the case of a type 2 diabetic, the body's cells have become resistant to the insulin which is carrying the glucose to them. So if you imagine the cell is covered in what are called insulin receptors, imagine them as locks, and the insulin with the glucose as a key. They no longer interact correctly. The insulin can't open the lock anymore. So the glucose has to go somewhere. It's not being processed properly by the cell. It spills over into our bloodstream and gives us high blood sugar levels, which cause damage to our nerves, which goes on to cause us all the problems we associate with diabetes in later life. And in the case of a type 1 diabetic, their pancreas can't produce any insulin, or very little. So they have no insulin to carry the glucose in their bloodstream to the cells. So they get high blood sugar level in that way. So they have to inject insulin to be able to do the job of the insulin they should be producing naturally. So this is why we have to understand, we have to take into consideration the amount of carbohydrates we eat as diabetics. Because the amount of carbohydrates you eat will have a direct correlation on your blood sugar levels. This is why myself and a lot of diabetics really restrict the amount of carbohydrates they eat. But I shall go into that in other videos. I just want this video to basically be a little about what a carbohydrate is and how it affects us. So if you just take from this video that carbohydrates are converted by your body into sugar, and that is what gives us our blood sugar levels. Okay, so if this video has helped you all, like it, if you did like it, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you, bye.